In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Canva and find your projects and recently used templates. To get started, open Canva on your device. You can do this either through your web browser or by launching the Canva app, depending on how you normally use it. Once Canva opens, take a moment to let the home screen fully load so everything appears correctly. This will make it easier to find the section you need without confusion. From the main Canva screen, look for the navigation menu and go to Projects. This area is where Canva keeps the work you've created or saved, so it's the best place to visit when you want to continue something you started earlier. Clicking or tapping Projects will take you to a page that brings your design files together in one organized space. When you arrive there, you will see your projects. These can include designs, folders, images, and other content you've been working with inside Canva. If you use Canva regularly, this section can save you a lot of time because you won't need to search through the home page every time you want to reopen a file. It's especially useful if you're managing multiple designs at once or switching between personal and work-related content. You will also see your recently used templates. These are templates you opened or worked with not long ago, and Canva keeps them easy to access so you can quickly return to them. This is helpful if you found a style or layout you liked and want to use it again without starting your search from the beginning. Recently used templates can also help maintain consistency across your designs, especially if you're creating content that needs a similar look and feel. As you look through this page, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where your projects and templates are stored can make your workflow much smoother the next time you log in. If something doesn't appear right away, give Canva a few seconds to refresh, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. That's all you need to do. Open Canva, go to Projects, and there you'll find your projects along with your recently used templates, ready for you to open and continue working on.